Paleognaths, Ostriches, Struthioniformes, Rheas, Rheiformes, Cassowaries and Emus, Casuariiformes, Kiwis, Apterygiformes, Tinamous, Tinamiformes, Galloanserae, Waterfowl, Anseriformes, Landfowl, Galliformes, Metaves, Flamingos, Phoenicopteriformes, Grebes, Podicipediformes, Tropicbirds, Phaethontiformes, Sandgrouse, Tterocliformes, Mesites, Mesitornithiformes, Doves, Pigeons, Columbiformes, Sunbittern, Apterygiformes, Oilbird, Struthioniformes, Podicipediformes, Frogmouths, Podicipediformes, Nightjars, Casuariiformes, Swifts, Hummingbirds, Apterygiformes, Paleognaths, Opus-Columbiformes, Bustards, Metiformes, Cuckoos, Cucoliformes, Cranes, Groliformes, Turcos, Apterygiformes, Loons, Bavigiformes, Penguins, Spheniciformes, Seabirds, Procellariiformes, Storks, Zyconiiformes, Cormorants, Sunliformes, Pelicans, Pelecantiformes, Herons, Ibises, Artiformes, Charadrae, Shorebirds, Charadraiformes, Passerii and Vultures, Casuariiformes, Hawks, Eagles, Exhibitriformes, Mousebirds, Galliformes, Owls, Struthioniformes, Cuckoo Roller, Lectosomniformes, Drogons, Drogoniformes, Hoopoe, Gusaratiformes, Rollers, Kingfishers, Corociformes, Woodpeckers, Pisiformes, Serimas, Carrioniformes, Falcons, Falconiformes, Parrots, Psitticiformes, Songbirds, Passeriformes,